This is Quick Chain Lessons by Chain Academy, our initiative for a short, practical, and meaningful coding and tech tips. For more videos like this, follow us on our social media platforms or purchase our courses at www.chain-academy.io. Hi everyone! Today we are meeting Go, also called GoLang. In the next few minutes, you will learn what Go is, where it is used, and how Go's modules make projects easy to manage. By the end of this episode, you will be able to set up a tiny Go project on your own. So first, let us define what is GoLang. Go is an open source programming language from Google released in 2009. Four things you need to remember when using Go. The first is that it is fast. It compiles to a single machine code binary that means applications start quickly and run efficiently. The second, it is safe. It is statically typed, so the compiler catches many errors before your code runs. The third one is simple. The language is small on purpose. You will spend less time fighting syntax and more time solving problems. And we have concurrent. Go has Go routines and channels built in. Think of Go routines as super lightweight threads. You can run many tasks at the same time with very little overhead. There is also automatic garbage collection inside Go, so the runtimes freeze unused memory for you. So imagine a school event app handling signups, SMS reminders, and report generation at the same time. Go makes that kind of parallel work straightforward. Now, currently, where you will see Go being used. So, number one is we can see Go at cloud and microservices like many backend APIs and containers. Example of this are Kubernetes and part of Docker's tooling are written in Go. For DevOps and CLIs, tools like Terraform and Hugo, a static site generator, are run by Go. Next is networking and systems. So many proxies, web servers, and performance critical tools are also written in the Go language. And then you can also see Go in data and concurrency heavy applications where you will use queues, workers, schedulers, and anything that benefits from doing many tasks in parallel. It is being powered by the Go programming language. So if you're dreaming of building fast backends, developer tools, or system utilities, Go is a great pick. So before we have a demo on how to install Go in your terminal or computer, let's first understand what Go module is. Go modules, or the module inside Go, is a version collection of packages managed by a go.mod file at your project's root folder. So why does modules matter in Go? It is the one responsible for creating reproducible builds. Your go.mod lists exact dependency versions. Anyone who clones your project gets the same versions. It also works anywhere on this. Modules freed us from the old Go path gymnastics and using the old versions of Go. Now, if you want to compare it to other language, Go modules is like the package JSON of Node.js. Now, what are the key files for Go modules? When you have a Go module, you will have a go.mod, which declares your module path and dependencies. And you will also have go.sum, which stores checksums to verify dependency integrity. So if you will compare it, like in Node.js, you have a package.json and a package.lock.json. Now, I know that you're excited to install Go inside your computer and start doing a simple hello world. So let's go to the coding part. Now, what is the first step in order for you to use Go in your computer? The first thing that you need to do is you need to install Go inside your computer. You need to go to go.dev/dl and download the appropriate version for your operating system. So I'm currently using a Microsoft version of operating system. So we need to install it inside our module. After installing, you need to verify if Go is already installed in your computer. In order for you to verify it, you need to go to a command prompt or anything similar to it. So here it is. And we will put here Go version, and we will see that our version is Go 1.24.1. Now, in order for us to start coding and creating our first Go message, let's have here a folder. Let's have here Go, and then let's open our code editor. I will use Visual Studio Code. Now, I will open it inside this code editor, and I will find the folder and open the folder. Now, inside our Go folder, let's create here a file name, and we will put here main.go, and that will be our initial file. Make sure that the syntax is correct. Let's have your main.go. Now, so the first thing you need to declare here is the package. And the package would determine what part of your project is your code being run. So in main.go, it is being included in the package main. We will explain more of this in other episodes. So let's have here package main. And then the next thing is import any package that you will need to. I will introduce you on a package named FMT. Is a package of Go that lets you print output inside your terminal or console. So let's import FMT. And this way, you will notice that Go is importing the packages that it needs when you need to use it. So anything that you will use inside Go's features should be imported on the package where your code is being written. Now, the next part is, let's have a func here in main, like a function. This is similar to a JavaScript function or any function in any programming language. Now, let's have here FMT. This is our package, which we have imported here. And let's have here println. It's one of the feature of that package, which allows us to print a display in the console. Let's have here hello, Go. So before we run this, let us explain what is the purpose of this main here. So func main is the entry point of a Go program. So if you try to run Go, the Go runtime looks for and executes the main.main, which is this one. So it must be in the package named main, which we put here, and have the exact signature func main. So there should be no parameters or no return value. Now, what are the rules and structure inside this func main? So package must be main, first of all. That is the first rule. If your file is package utils or anything else, it can produce an executable or it is treated as a library. So any package aside from package main is a library which lets you use different features of Go, but it should be not the main package that you are using when you try to execute your main Go program. So thus, only one func main per package you can use in every Go project. You can have many .go files in that package, but just one main. So therefore, there is only one func main per package inside Go. You can have many .go files in that package, but just one main. And the third rule is there should be no arguments and return on func main. Now, in order for us to run this, let's go to our terminal and then make sure that you are inside your folder, your projects folder, and let's run here go run, and let's run main.go. So we will type it here, main.go, press enter, and you will see we have here the output hello, comma, go. Now, let's have a demo on Go modules. So as I've said earlier, modules make builds reproducible. If I share this project, you will need to download the same version that I use. Let's add a dependency so you can see it. Modules make builds reproducible. If I share this project to you, you will download the same versions I use because of Go mod or module. So let's add here a dependency so you can see it. So in our func main, let's have another import. I will use an import that is external. It means that it is not a default feature inside Go. We will be using an external package that is created by other developer. Let's have here a GitHub. mod.com/fate/color. So the purpose of this package is to add some colors in our terminal. So instead of just a normal hello go here, we will use this package by having color, that's cyan, then hello from a dependency. In other words, this color that's cyan here came from this package. That's why we are able to use this inside Go. But before we run this, we need to create a module. So in order for us to start a module, we need to go to the terminal and let's have here go mod, then init means initialize, and then we need to declare the module path that we want to. Let's say, for example, this is just a simple hello. So we will have here go mod init hello, and then let's enter. So you will notice it will have go.mod here, which contains module hello and the version of our Go. Now we need to import this github.com/fate/color that we have here in this part. So it will be reflected in go.mod. In order to do that, let's have go mod tiny, which is another command tools inside Go, which reads imports like the one that we put in main.go. And it also download exact versions of all your imports. So let's have here go mod tidy. Now let's wait for a few minutes. Let's check the error. It says cannot find module providing github.com/fate. Let's check. I think I have a misspelling here. It should be fatty, not fate, then /color. Now let's make this again. So let's have go mod tidy. Okay, it says found. Let's wait a few more seconds or minutes to finish. So if you will notice, after the go mod tidy, it will have go.sam. Okay. And you will also see here anything related to our import package. Now let's run our main.go. Let's have here again go run main.go, and you will see hello from a dependency with a color compared to ordinary plain text. So that is how easy it is for you to create your first mini project inside Go. If you want to support us, subscribe to our pages or visit our courses at www.train-academy.io.